The advice to Phil Rose must be, you got to pick up the pace. You have to pace yourself. 8 rounds to go, but you have to pick up the pace. Phil Rose, let's take a look at some of the action. That's the right. That wasn't the damage. There was he shaking it off and got a punch right just above the temple. And that shook Rose in his boots. Munnings got a bit excited. Here it is. A left hook to the body, bang, to the head. Round 3. Unofficially, remember, unofficial, my scorecard does not matter, but I have Munnings ahead 20-18, 2 rounds to nothing. The judges are Steve Weisfeld, who was a judge in that Vladimir Klitschko Anthony Joshua fight in April at Wembley. Joshua won by an 11th round knockout. The other judge is Dave Dunbar from Canada, and Jamaica's Keith Brown. Rose went for a big right, missed, and Sakima caught him on the ropes, and Rose bounced off. None of those punches connected. Oh, Sakima missed and delivered a right, and goes to the body yet again. Rose being befuddled by Sakima Munnings. 2 minutes to go in this round. No need to get excited, folks, because if anybody will get knocked out, it will be Sakima. If Sakima stops Phil Rose, it will be by attrition, by the sheer weight and volume of the attack to the body, which I said will cause the arms to come down, and then you can assault the head. That is what Sakima is doing. But Rose is strong and tough. He'll be going nowhere. And if he stays around, he will be finishing strongly after round 6, if the fight lasts that long. It's a dominant Sakima Munnings. Squinting that left eye, it's an eye that he got a bad cut over about a year or 2 ago. A little bit puffy, scar tissue. And so he tends to squint that left eye in fights. This is championship fight, folks. Junior middleweight division for the Contender title 2017. Sakima looking to add to his, I think it was 2013, welterweight Contender title. A short left hook by Rose that got the attention of Sakima. Sakima stalking Rose. Those are devastating body punches. A much closer round, a better round for Phil Rose. 10 seconds to go, but by the preponderance of punches, the man who is the ring general, you would